So the question asks us to use the substitution method to solve the linear system. Now before we actually get into solving anything, let's rearrange the equations so that everything lines up nicely and that we can work with our numbers better. 3x plus 2y, let's move the negative 1 over to equal 1. And for the second equation, let's move the minus x over to give us x, the y can stay there, plus y equals 3. Now notice how I've lined up all my x values, my y values, and my constants. Now we can substitute using the substitution method. Let's isolate for x in equation 2. Here's equation 1, here's equation 2. Let's isolate for x. X equals 3 minus y. All we have to do is move the y over. Now we can sub x equals 3 minus y into equation 1. That's going to give us 3 times. Now instead of x, I'm actually going to write 3 minus y. 3 minus y plus 2y equals 1. Now my entire equation is in terms of y, and I can actually solve for the variable. Let's start by opening this bracket up. 3 times 3 is 9, and 3 times minus y is minus 3y, plus 2y equals 1. Add the like terms, 9 minus y equals 1, and isolate for y. Minus y equals 1 minus 9 minus y equals minus 8, y equals 8. Now that I have my y, I can sub that back into the second equation to solve for x. So let's go back. Sub y equals 8 into equation 2. X plus 8 equals 3, which means x equals 3 minus 8. Therefore, x equals minus 5.